geluidsdadan. We're planning to make the most comprehensive series on tailoring that has ever existed, available for the entire world. We can never develop a deep understanding of our surroundings, of the world, of our life, of ourselves, if we never ask why. Why is this? Why on earth? Why? Why would someone... It already looks like a dress. Every single step is formulated and clearly articulated. Direction. My name is Reza. This was today's lesson. I look forward to seeing the next one. Ciao.